Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to install your Thinkware rear camera. You will need the following items to install your Thinkware rear camera. You'll need the rear camera itself, a microfiber cloth, and some glass cleaner. Let's get to it. We'll start by cleaning the inside of your rear windshield. It's important to clean the windshield to ensure the 3M adhesive can get a stronger bond to the glass. Next, peel off the protective plastic that's on the back of the adhesive. When you're mounting the rear camera, you want to make sure which side the Thinkware logo is on. This would be the proper way to mount the rear camera. We flip the mount over. This, with the Thinkware logo facing out, will put the picture upside down. So make sure when you mount it that the Thinkware logo is facing the inside of the vehicle. Now we're going to mount the rear camera to the glass. Make sure that when you're mounting the rear camera, that the rear camera is not centered, but the lens is. Push firmly on the 3M adhesive to make sure that it sticks. Now plug in the rear camera cable into the rear cam. When the rear cam is plugged into the main unit, you will hear an audio notification.
Rear view camera connected. System will restart.
If your camera has Wi-Fi, you can check the viewing angle using a smartphone and the Thinkware applications. We will now route the wires to the front of the vehicle. Your Thinkware rear cam is now installed. Thanks for watching our videos, guys. You can check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials and subscribe below.